So welcome back everybody. Today we are going to learn how to build a calculator in Python using our prerequisite knowledges of variables, strings, databases and calculations. So first we are going to put an intro line over here saying that hello and welcome to welcome to a build calculator. So now first we will draw the outline. So basically what we want to do is that the user will input one digit, then the user will input the sign what he wants to do, and then the user will input the other digit, and then when we press enter we will get the result. So for doing that, first we will assign a variable to an input which is an integer. So first we are going to convert something into an integer, and that something will be the input of the first digit. So please enter the first digit. Good. Now we want another bracket. Now we want another integer that will be the sign, and we don't want the sign to be an integer, so we will not give the int syntax. So b will be equal to input is enter the operation you want to perform. Okay, and then we will be inputting another integer that is the second digit. So please enter the second number, not a digit. This will also be a number, digit. Okay, so this is basically the input stage. Now we want the computer to calculate what we have inputted. So now if b equals plus, then it will be doing something, or maybe if elif means that else if, or that if b's value is plus, then it will be performing whatever I put in right over here, and if it is not plus, I will be giving another criteria over here, then it will be doing the function that is next to it, like b equals minus. Now let me just complete it, then I will be explaining it. And if b equals multiplication, or if b equals division. So what basically this is doing is that if the user inputs plus as an operation, it will be doing this. If the user inputs minus as an operation, it will be doing this part. If the user inputs into as an operation, then it will be doing this, and if division, then this. So this is the operation part. So now we are going to input all the other variables and all the other performs. So first, if the user inputs plus, then we are going to put another variable t that equals a plus b, and then print a comma plus comma b comma equals d. So that this will be c. So what this will be doing is that d is a plus b. So let's say user inputs the first number as 5 and the second number as 6. So this will be adding, d will be 5 plus 6, that is 11. So it will be printing 5 plus 6 equals 11. So now I will be closing the bracket, and I will be copying this full thing, and then I can paste it over here, and over here. Then I will be changing this symbol over here. This will be minus, this will be minus, this will be multiplication, this will be multiplication, this will be division, this will be division. Now let us try and run it. And as you can see, it says that hello and welcome to a build calculator, please enter the first number. So let's enter the first number. Please enter the operation you want to perform. Plus second number 6, and it says 5 plus 6 equals 11, and then you see that the program ends over here. But I would want that it continues repeating. So how will I do that? So to do that, just put this full thing in a while true loop. So I pressed tab once and second time, just put a bracket, and then I press while true. Oh, I get it. While true. So now this full thing will be repeating until and unless the user closes it. Okay, so this comes first time. Okay, that will not work. 5 plus 6 equals 11, and then again it prints this one. Now let's say the user wants to quit. You can close it like this, or you can put it here. Do you want let's assign a variable quit equals, quit doesn't work like that, so q equals input, do you want to quit, question mark, in bracket I will be saying the user what to type, yes or no. Okay, and then if q equals y or capital Y, so this will assign that any one of this has been assigned to Q, and if so, then it will be doing the underlined function, this one, then it will be turning into quitting. Or if you don't want to write quit like that, you can give a variable m equals quit, and here while m, and before that m equals true. Let's see if that works. 5 plus 6. Yes, it's working. Now let's see if that false or not. Let's try it again. 5 plus 6 y. That is not quit function is okay, I made a mistake. It's false. And then now it will be working fine. See, it has quit the function. So this was how you build a calculator with simple Python coding. It was very simple, very small. Hope you liked this. If you liked it, subscribe. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.